This 2023 Dutchmen Astoria 3803 FLP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 6, water heater, LP detector, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, external shower, awning, microwave, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Dutchmen Astoria 3803 FLP is 11,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.